SBE have recently completed a full design and build turnkey floodlighting installation at Blessington GAA Club. The system is based on a 6 lighting column design, with a total of 36 high-efficiency LED floodlights. We've also installed a DALI dimmable control system, which allows the club to set the level of lighting on the pitch to suit the particular requirement and therefore further optimise energy consumption. SBE are currently carrying out numerous floodlighting projects all over the country, and we would be delighted to assist your club in delivering a high quality and cost-effective floodlighting system. For your club, trust the professionals and contact SBE.